Let's take a look at monosaccharides and how we determine whether they're in the D or the L configuration. Okay, so what I have here drawn for you is monos. Again, it's a simple carbohydrate monosaccharide. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons, okay, in that chain. It's what we call an aldose. An aldose because it's got the aldehyde group here at the end. So this one would technically be what we call an aldohexose. Okay, it's hexose, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 carbons. Okay, so 6 carbons in that sugar chain with the aldehyde group, so aldohexose. Okay, now the L and the D configuration. To determine that configuration, you want to look at the chiral carbon. Okay, we want to look at the chiral carbon, which remember means there are 4 different substituents or branches from that carbon. The chiral carbon that is furthest from the aldehyde, the oxidized, most oxidized carbon here. Okay, so we're going to focus in on this chiral carbon right here to determine that L or D configuration. Okay, so we're going to look at this one. Now, if it's an L configuration, then the OH, the hydroxyl group, will be on the left side. If the hydroxyl group is on the right side in the Fisher projection, then it's the D configuration. Okay, so this is L monos. Now, we could draw what we call the enantiomer of L monos, which would be the D configuration. Okay, so the D configuration of it. So D monos. Okay. It would still have the 6 carbon chains. It would still be an aldose. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, still has the CH2OH. Now, the enantiomer, remember, is the non-superimposable mirror image. Okay, so imagine there's a mirror right here. Okay, this is the L. What would we see the reflection? What would we see as that reflection? Okay, we see the D configuration. Now remember, to be the D configuration, the chiral carbon furthest from the most oxidized carbon, so this carbon right here, furthest from this aldehyde most oxidized carbon down here, we look for that hydroxyl group. It's on the right side of the Fisher projection, so that's D monos. So here's the L monos, the D monos. Okay, just a simple monosaccharide found in lots of fruits and vegetables and apples and peaches and cabbage and broccoli, lots of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so D and L configurations.